Most of the rainfall reporting stations over Goa recorded light to moderate rainfall yesterday, and almost all stations experienced light to moderate thunderstorms. The possibility of thunderstorms over Goa was forecasted by IMD by around the 3rd of September itself. The conditions for this thunderstorm activity is increase in temperature and also the presence of easterly winds at around 3.1 kilometers of height from the surface. So these conditions are going to be there for almost 48 hours more, that is up to 8th we can expect isolated thunderstorm activity over Goa. And in the coming days the thunder activity will reduce and normal monsoon rainfall activity will pick up. So in the past 24 hours, highest rainfall was reported at Perne, which was 4 centimeters of rainfall. Mapsa reported 3.4 centimeter of rainfall. Then Panji, Margao, Old Goa also reported 2 to 3 centimeters of rainfall. Now, as on today, as on 7th of September, the most important weather system that is prevailing is over East Central Arabian Sea. There is a low pressure area lying over East Central Arabian Sea off the coast of Karnataka, and because of this system there are fishermen warnings extending up to 11th of September. So fishermen are requested not to venture into regions along and off Kerala, Karnataka and Lakshadweep coast up to 11th of September. Like I mentioned, the thunder and lightning activity is going to be there up to 8th, and in the coming days, that is from 9th onwards, there is possibility that the normal monsoon activity will pick up its strength again, and possibility of heavy rainfall is there over Goa on 9th, 10th and 11th of September. As on today, the total cumulative rainfall activity over Goa has recorded up to 350 centimeters of rainfall against a normal value of 277 centimeters, that is 27% higher than normal value. Apart from the fisherman warning related with low pressure area over East Central Arabian Sea, there is another set of warnings issued by organization called INCOIS. INCOIS is Indian National Center for Oceanic Information Services. So INCOIS has issued a warning of swell surge. Swell surge basically is waves of height 1.7 to 2.3 meters. And during the period from midnight of 7th of September to 9th of September, they have issued a warning that these swell waves can be affecting the coastal lines of Goa, and the low-lying areas could be affected with the waves. So they have issued a set of precautionary measures such that boats should be anchored with a fair distance from each other so that they should not collide with each other in the case of waves affecting them, swell waves affecting them. And secondly, they have issued that the recreational activity over the coastal line should be entirely suspended during this period. And they have also mentioned that the effect of this swell surge could be lower in the high seas, and the effect will be maximum near the coastal areas. So it's requested that necessary precautions may kindly be taken on this regard. And the detailed information and detailed set of precautionary measures are already issued in INCOIS website as well as on IMD Goa website.